Okay, we're at the famous Old Spaghetti Factory, Indianapolis, Indiana. What you got, princess? Applesauce.
And this, yeah.
Yum. Want to mix it up?
Yeah.
This is the old famous spaghetti factory. It's been open for about
eating
50
on the
years.
And we're eating on the train.
Yeah, we're on the famous train.
Yeah.
Great environment, Italian food. I got the meaty pasta, spaghetti meatballs, Italian sausage, meat marinara. Look, princess couldn't even stop. She's straight eating. It's good. Everybody go like, subscribe to Food Fetish Squad. Go tell a friend. We're at the old spaghetti factory. 50th anniversary. Let me try this.
How's everything taste?
Good.
Okay.
Everybody go like, subscribe. Food Fetish Squad. Tell them.
Yeah, guys. This is really good. And guys, if you come here, comment down below. This place is good. And I eat it. This is good.
We're out.